Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a slider in Webflow. First, open your Webflow project in the designer. Sliders are fantastic for showcasing multiple pieces of content, like images or testimonials, in a compact space. They help keep your page clean and engaging. We will cover the simple steps to integrate this powerful component into your design, making your website more dynamic and interactive for your visitors. To begin, locate the Add Elements panel on the left side of your Webflow designer. Scroll down or search for the slider component under the Components section. Simply drag and drop this slider element directly onto your desired section on the canvas. It will automatically appear with 2 default slides, along with basic navigation arrows and dots, ready for your content. Now, let's personalize your slider. Select each individual slide within the slider component and add your desired content, such as images, headings, or paragraphs. Then, access the Element Settings panel to fine-tune options like autoplay, transition duration, and easing effects. You can also customize the appearance of the navigation arrows and dots to match your site's aesthetic perfectly. Finally, it's time for styling and ensuring responsiveness. Use the Style panel to apply custom fonts, colors, and spacing to your slider, its individual slides, and the navigation elements. Crucially, check how your slider behaves across different breakpoints, like tablet and mobile, to guarantee a seamless experience for all users. Always test the slider's functionality before publishing your project.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.